Scientists across the world are racing against time to develop a vaccine for the coronavirus. And with the second phase of a vaccine trial beginning in China, the country could now be heading the race. According to Chinese media reports, the second phase of a crucial vaccine trial began in the city of Wuhan, which was the epicenter of the pandemic. The vaccine is being developed by a research team along with the Institute of Military Medicine. The Chinese research firm related to the People's Liberation Army of China has become the first firm to reach the second phase of the trial. The vaccine, which was created by genetic engineering, has been administered to 273 volunteers. While the first phase of the trial was based on safety, the second phase is focused on effectiveness. Compared to phase 1 of the trial, phase 2 has eased the age limit, allowing people above 60 to participate. The virus remains deadly for old people, especially those who are above the age of 60. With more than 2 million people infected around the world, a vaccine is the only viable option against this deadly disease. So what does this second phase of a vaccine trial mean for the world? Usually, vaccine trials include 4 or more phases. This begins from initial trials on humans to its introduction to use for the people at large. Scientists believe that China may have had a head start as it was first to map the genetic sequence of the virus. But even with an accelerated timeline, 12 to 18 months is the minimum time required to manufacture a vaccine. The second trial is crucial as it primarily focuses on effectiveness of the drug, which is why clinical trials, especially phase 2 and 3, cannot be hurried or skipped. And even if a vaccine is developed, mass production becomes a bigger hurdle. Historically, vaccines have taken somewhere around 2 to 5 years to develop. Even with the SARS epidemic, it almost took 20 months to create a vaccine. Meanwhile, a research group has even claimed that they may have an experimental vaccine ready in just a month. This experimental vaccine could be rolled out for high-risk groups. But many scientists believe that a rushed timeline does not allow for evaluation of the safety of that vaccine. So even with hopes of a cure lingering, it looks like a viable coronavirus vaccine could be at least a year away.